Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey guys, I'm checking back in with my early birthday presents. So, we're gonna see what's inside this box. So first, we have the petit'gguy Sarah. Did I show the winners?
No.
Then we have the Caster, Nero,
Claudius.
Then we have the Castor, Medio, Claris. Then we have the Master,
Female. Protagonist.
Then we have the Master, Female, Petit'gguy. Then we have a Saber, Akita,
Saji.
Then we have the Saber, Akita, Saji. Then we have the RXO. We have the R. We have the RX. We have the R. We have the We have the RXO. Unicorn Gundam.
Show it.
Then we have the Then we have the RX Unicorn Gundam
Phoenix.
Then we have the RX. Then we have the RXON Unicorn Gundam 2 Banishing North. And then we have the stickers from USA Gundam Stuff. Then all of this is from Matt. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. Alright guys, we're done with the box. So I can't wait to build. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.